Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, well-maintained classic pickup with 158,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a manual transmission, a gray exterior, and a burgundy interior, running on gasoline. The truck has been significantly upgraded under the hood, featuring a freshly built 327 engine paired with an NV3500 5-speed transmission. The engine build includes a Stage 2 cam, a 650 Proform carburetor, MSD ignition, and a built 373 positraction rear end, with all receipts available for verification. Over $6,000 has been invested in the engine alone, ensuring strong performance and reliability. In addition to its impressive drivetrain, the truck has new tires installed all around and a fully refreshed interior. The cabin is in excellent condition, with a new air conditioning system and fully functional heating, making it comfortable for any drive.
Number 2.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. It has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent condition with only 77,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a reliable 305 V8 engine, paired with a smooth-shifting 700R4 automatic transmission, offering a blend of performance and ease of driving. Both the exterior and interior are finished in striking red, giving the truck a bold, classic look, and it runs on gasoline. This truck comes with new wheels and tires, ensuring a solid and comfortable ride. A new gas tank with secure straps has been installed, adding to its reliability. The air conditioning provides cold air, while the heating system works perfectly, making it suitable for all seasons. All gauges function properly, reflecting the truck's well-maintained mechanical condition. The body is free of rust, and the truck carries a rebuilt title, giving potential owners confidence in its structural integrity.
Number 3.
1987 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,500, classic and highly dependable truck, meticulously maintained and in excellent overall condition. It has traveled just 90,000 miles, making it a low-mileage example for its age.
This model comes equipped with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and effortless driving, whether on long hauls or daily errands.
Its striking orange exterior is complemented by a clean gray interior, creating a timeless and appealing look. Under the hood, the Chevrolet 3500 features a powerful V8 engine that delivers strong performance and reliable power for towing, hauling, or everyday driving. As part of the R/V3500 series, this truck exemplifies Chevrolet's commitment to durability and craftsmanship, offering a vehicle that has been cared for and remains in top mechanical shape.
Number 4.
1997 Ford F350, price $10,000, with 314,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior with a tan interior, combining a classic look with practical durability. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, equipped with 6 new tires to ensure stability and safety on the road. Its climate system works perfectly, providing cold air conditioning and hot heat, while cruise control makes long drives more comfortable. For added convenience, it comes with power windows and locks operated by a remote. The only cosmetic issue is peeling clear coat on the hood, but overall, this F350 offers solid performance and dependable functionality for work or daily driving.
Number 5.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, well-maintained, smoke-free truck that has been carefully serviced throughout its life, with all service records kept clean. It has covered 200,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a gray exterior and matching gray interior, offering a clean and comfortable cabin. This 4x4 Sierra 1500 comes with the Z71 off-road package, making it capable on rough terrains, and is tow-ready for hauling trailers or equipment. The interior and rims are in excellent condition, reflecting the truck's careful upkeep. With no history of accidents, this vehicle offers both reliability and peace of mind.
Please note that the toolbox is not included. Number 6.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, classic short bed, single cab square body truck, featuring a bold red exterior and a sleek black interior.
It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
This truck comes with a newly rebuilt 350 engine and a freshly rebuilt transmission, providing reliable performance. The rear has been upgraded to a narrowed 9-inch setup with tubs, enhancing both its stance and overall appearance. While the exact specifications of the engine and transmission build are not known, the Chevrolet 1500 combines timeless square-body styling with thoughtful performance upgrades, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts and collectors alike.
Number 7.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It has accumulated 239,000 miles over its lifetime.
It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, making it easy to drive for both daily use and off-road adventures.
The truck features a striking green exterior complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. The Chevrolet 1500 is fitted with four-wheel drive and a 4-inch lift, enhancing its off-road capability and giving it a commanding presence on and off the road. Mechanically, the truck still runs well, making it a dependable option for those seeking a functional vehicle immediately. However, it does require significant cosmetic work, including attention to the body and interior, making it an excellent project truck for enthusiasts who enjoy restoration or customization.
Number 8.
1995 Ford Ranger, price $3,000. The truck has traveled 128,000 miles and features a green exterior with a gray interior. It comes equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly and a reliable 2.3L 4-cylinder engine. The truck has almost new tires all around, a clean interior with the exception of a sagging headliner, and a brand new battery. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs and wires, a new fuel filter, and new front wheel bearings. The exhaust system had a clogged muffler, which was removed to allow proper airflow. The original muffler and piping are included, and the catalytic converters remain installed.
Number 9.
1999 Chevrolet 3500, price $5,000, rugged and dependable truck, well suited for both work and recreational use. It has 298,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong 7.4L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing reliable performance and plenty of torque for towing in heavy-duty tasks. The truck features four-wheel drive, allowing it to handle off-road conditions, rough terrain, and challenging weather with confidence. Its exterior is finished in a bold red color, complemented by a clean black interior, giving it a classic and professional appearance. This model is equipped with a decked bed system, offering organized storage solutions for tools, gear, or other cargo. A new battery ensures dependable starting power, and overall, the truck runs and drives smoothly.
Number 10.
1991 Ford F350, price $4,500. It has 84,000 miles, an automatic transmission, white exterior, blue interior, and runs on gasoline.
It's powered by a 302 engine with long tube headers, converted to a carburetor with a new Edelbrock 600 CFM, Wien Street Warrior intake, and Duraspark distributor with a GMHI module to prevent overheating. All gauges, including the tatch, work. The AC compressor is installed but needs a new hose assembly and are 134A conversion. Both fuel tanks have new pumps, and the rear lines were capped when acquired. The E4OD transmission is managed by a new US Shift Quick 2 controller. Minor rocker rust is present, but many components are new, including a 3G alternator with painless wiring, front wheel bearings, brakes, shocks, brake hoses, water pump, fuel pumps, and tires.